If you are entering 2026 feeling tired, not excited, this video is for you. Not because you failed, not because you didn't try hard enough, but because you have been functioning at a high level for too long without alignment. If you have followed my work for healing, manifestation, and self growth, this video will make perfect sense to you. And if you are new here, welcome. You are in the right place. Every January, we ask the same question. What should I do differently? What should I fix? What should I work harder on this year? All these questions remain same. But here, what I have observed after working with thousands of women, most intelligent, capable women are not confused. They are mentally overloaded. Too many ideas, too many roles, too many unfinished inner decisions. And 2026 doesn't need another resolution. It needs clarity and containment. If you have been part of my healing work before, you will recognize this truth. Healing is not about revisiting pain endlessly. It is about freeing mental and emotional bandwidth. Over the past few years, I have watched something very clearly. Women heal, they learn, they grow emotionally, and then they get stuck again. Not because they are broken, but because they don't know how to make aligned decisions consistently. So my work has evolved, not away from healing, but beyond healing. Here is the truth I want to sit with. Your life doesn't need more information. It needs fewer internal conflicts. Most women are running one belief from healing, one belief from ambition, one belief from guilt, one belief from responsibility, all at the same time. That's not growth, that's fragmentation. And fragmented women cannot move forward, no matter how talented they are. This year, my entire work is focused on one thing: helping high functioning women from inner fragmentation to clarity and direction. Not by teaching more, not by adding pressure, not by fixing you, but by helping you rebuild self trust, reduce mental noise, create a repeatable way of making decisions. Because when your inner system is aligned, life stops feeling heavy. And for this, tomorrow, 2nd January, I'm hosting a free live orientation on Zoom. This is not a motivational session and it's not a sales webinar. It is a clarity session. I'll walk you through the real reasons most self-work doesn't translate into results. Your journey available inside the Wondernouri space in 2026, and how to identify your next right step without any pressure. Whether that's healing deeper, stabilizing yourself, or finally moving forward with direction. Zoom link is given in the description. You can register and join tomorrow. 2026 doesn't need you to reinvent yourself. It needs you to stop multiple inner programs at once. If you are tired of being capable but scattered, if you are done preparing and ready to align, I'll see you tomorrow. Join the orientation, come with open mind, and let's begin this year properly.